How to upload a CapCut project to Space. This tutorial shows you how to save and back up your CapCut projects directly to Space on your Android device. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Projects tab at the bottom of the screen to see all your saved projects. From there, find the project you want to upload to Space. At this point, tap on the three dots next to the project to open the Options menu. In the next step, tap on Upload to Space from the list of options. Following this, if you have multiple spaces set up, a list of your available spaces will appear on the screen. Once done, tap on the space you want to upload the project to. Finally, wait for the upload to complete and your project will be safely stored in your selected space and accessible from any device you're logged into. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you upload your project to Space, give it a like. Subscribe for more editing tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.